In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to remove the stock windshield wiper and replace it with a new windshield wiper. Our car is Nissan Almera 2018. I bought this windshield wiper from the Lazada. I will post
how to remove, how to replace this wiper. Okay, so firstly, we have to lift this, and then we will have to move it like that, and then pull it down, just like that, and then rotate it like that, and then remove it. Can you see it? Remove it just like that. For the other one, for the other wiper, lift it first like that. Okay, and then move it like that, and then pull it down. After pulling it down, then you can release it like that. How to install the new one? Installing the new wiper. This one is the new wiper. Okay, do you see this one? We have to open it like that. And then this, do you see this one? No? This is where you will attach this U-shape. Okay, so just enter it like that. And then push this button here, and you're done. The same for the other one. So this is 14. The size of that is 14. And the size for the other one on the right is 21. Okay, the same process. The same process. Okay, enter it like that. Okay, as soon as it has entered, just press this, and you're done. Okay, and the size of that is 21. This is 21, this is 14. And that's it. That's how you install the wiper blade for Nissan Almera. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe at the same time to this channel. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.